Today, I'm going to share a pre-workout shot with you. I call it the Beat It shot. You'll see why. Let's do this. You ready for the ingredients I put in the Beat It shot? All right, the first one, turmeric. Turmeric has been used in India for thousands of years as a medicinal herb and has anti-inflammatory properties. There's these compounds within it called curcuminoids, the most powerful of which, curcumin. Now your body doesn't absorb it well, so you need piperine. I've heard it pronounced many different ways, but it's in black pepper. And the trademark name for that, you'll see it on labels, biopurine. That helps you absorb the curcumin. I take a turmeric root about 1 inch long and I'll juice it. That's one of the ingredients. And of course, I'll add black pepper so I can fully absorb that. And if you want, it's fat soluble, so you can add like an MCT oil. And our next ingredient, ginger. Like I do with turmeric, I'll take about 1 inch of a ginger root and I'll put that in the juicer. Within ginger is gingerol. That's what gives it its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger's been known to fend off nausea you get from post-surgery or morning sickness. Studies are showing that it helps reduce muscle soreness brought on by exercise. There's other studies that show it helps reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis. Ginger even appears to speed up the emptying of the stomach, which of course is improved digestion. Who wants to be digesting a meal when you're ready to work out? Because when you're digesting, all the blood's going to breaking down the food. No, you're going into fight or flight mode. You want the blood to go to the working muscles to optimize them so you can go in there and get that transcendent set. That gingerol helps fight off infections. It takes on the bad bacteria in the mouth too. For an extra kick, I'll put in cayenne pepper. Yeah, it's got a bite. But there are some studies that show it helps with your metabolism, your digestion, and it helps with blood pressure. Sometimes I'll do lemon. I'll take the lemon, about 1/2 or 1/4 of it, and I'll juice it because it's the rind in the lemon that gives you the digestive benefits. And of course, you know about the vitamin C in lemons. Did you know lemons help you absorb non-heme iron? That's what you get from plants. And if you're anemic and you're on a vegetarian diet, it's harder to absorb that iron. So the lemons are going to help. All right, the star of our show, the main ingredient for the Beat It shot. What else? Beets. I'll slice a big beet in half and I'll use half of it for the shot. For athletic performance, there's the dietary nitrates in the beets. These help you uptake oxygen. They increase the efficiency of my favorite organelle within the cell, the mitochondria. It's responsible for producing energy. Did you know your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide within your body? This dilates your blood vessels, improves the blood flow through them because you want that blood and the nutrients within that blood to get to your working muscles. And last of all, there's the fiber within the beets. Now fiber, of course, helps with digestion, and it's been known for years to help fend off numerous chronic diseases. There you have it, the Beat It shot. Once again, a rundown of those ingredients. You got turmeric, about 1 inch of the root. You got ginger, same thing, about 1 inch of the root. Black pepper, that helps you absorb the turmeric and the curcumin within it. Lemon, cayenne, and of course, beets. One more thing. If you can't take the bite of this shot, you can always add natural raw honey, as much as you want to taste. I'm going to put a link in the show notes for the juicer I use. I'm also going to put a link for one of the top juicers out there, if you got the budget for it. The Beat It shot is just one of many shots I prepare. I'll have future episodes with other shots. Don't forget to subscribe, make a comment, and like the video. See you next time.